Okay, today is August 26th, 2018. I ordered this on this past Monday. It came in yesterday on the 25th. I ordered the
Photogenic, girl.
Photogenic. What is this stuff called? Photogenic. I ordered the Photogenic. They caught me at a good time, 6:30 in the morning. I was still half asleep. So they got my $35. I'm opening it now. Let's see. Yeah, $35 for 32 ounces of what's supposed to be a beautician in a jar. So if this stuff works as well as people claim it does on my 4C hair, which is ridiculously dry and crunchy,
Hurry up and get it out the box.
if this replaces everything in my hair care armory, then I will definitely order more. Probably in 2 or 3 jar increments. Because if it works on my hair, I know it'll work on my daughter's hair. So this is how it looks unboxed. I don't know what this is supposed to be, an air pocket thingy or whatever. Yeah, it didn't work. Don't pack those. And here you have it, Photogenic. The Beautician in a Jar. Your best hair every day. So, coats, conditions, and moisturizes. Styles, eliminates frizz, reduces shrinkage. Only thing I'm worried about is the curls. I'm not worried about edges. Taming split ends, that might be nice. I have to clip my ends first. Works on all hair types and hair extensions. I'm not trying to waste good hair care products on hair extensions, but that's just me. But to each his own. So here's the website, www.photogenichaircare.com. 32 ounces. Instructions. Step 1. Section dry or damp hair, no water required. I think I want my hair to be a little bit wet. Step 2. Coat hair strands generously with Photogenic. Do not rinse out. Step 3. Style hair as desired and allow hair to dry. Air dry. And it dries clear. And there you see the ingredients listed. Let's see if I can get that to zoom in there. Water, carbomer, shea butter, coconut oil, propylene glycol, soy protein, wheat protein, glycerin, mango seed, aloe, avocado oil, kernel oil, neem seed, hibiscus flower. Hibiscus is always good. They have a hibiscus type of moisturizer and shampoo in the Shea Moisture line that I used to use. Carrot oil, vitamin E, benzoic acid, olive oil, fragrance, and color. And then the infamous pictures that we see all day, every day on Facebook. See if I can get that zoom in right.
Fix it.
Maybe not. I don't know. There we go. There's 3 before and after shots. I will be giving this a go. I'll probably do something today. Couldn't do it yesterday. My kids would have drove me crazy and it never would have got done. I've seen a couple of the videos that people are posting about this product. I've seen them do little samples or examples of it on their hair. And I was not, what's the word I'm looking for? I was not wowed. So hopefully I'll be wowed with this and I can get rid of all the other hair stuff in my bathroom and just have jars of this everywhere. Alrighty.